In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Exness calculator. If you want to estimate important trading values before placing a trade, the Exness calculator can help you do that quickly and more accurately. It's especially useful for checking things like margin requirements and pip value so you can make better informed trading decisions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the full process in a simple and practical way. First, go to the Exness personal area. This is where you'll access the tools connected to your trading account. Once you're there, make sure you're on the correct dashboard so you can easily navigate to the calculator settings and account options without confusion. Next, click on Account. This section is where your trading account information is managed, and it's the starting point for setting up the calculator correctly. Since the calculator uses account-specific conditions, it's important to begin here rather than guessing values manually. After that, click on Open Account. Even if you're mainly using the calculator to preview trade conditions, this step helps you access the setup area where account parameters can be selected. This is important because the results you see in the calculator depend on the type of account and trading conditions you choose. Now choose your account type. This step matters because different account types can have different trading conditions, and those conditions affect the calculator's output. Take a moment here to make sure you select the same account type you plan to trade with. That way, the calculations you see will be much more relevant to your actual trades. Then select your trading instrument. This means choosing the market or asset you want to calculate for, such as a currency pair, commodity, or another available instrument. The instrument you select directly affects the calculation since each one has its own contract specifications and pricing behavior. Once that's done, set your leverage. Leverage determines your margin requirements, so this is a very important field. A higher leverage generally means lower margin required for the same position size, while lower leverage means you'll need more margin. Be careful to choose the leverage that matches your intended trading setup because even small differences here can significantly change the result. Finally, enter your desired volume in lots to see the exact pip value. This is the step that helps you understand how much each pip movement is worth for your position size. It's a useful way to estimate potential exposure before entering a trade. If you're planning risk carefully, this number can help you align your lot size with your strategy. And that's how to use the Exness calculator. If you follow these settings carefully, you'll get a clearer